Hey, welcome! You've made it to the third unit of the Prep Academy. This is the final unit, and we are focused in this unit on getting your writing to the level where it needs to be so that you can go into your college classes and be successful. I'm really excited that you've made it this far. Unit 3 usually doesn't take students more than a couple of weeks to complete because they understand how Prep Academy works. They know the ins and outs. They're familiar with MLA, which you'll be using throughout this entire unit. If you have a writing assignment for this unit, then make sure that you're formatting it in MLA and that you're doing your best to submit work that is clear and concise and ready for professor's eyes. That's what we're focusing on. In Unit 3, I'm so excited for you. You are almost finished. You are definitely on the downhill slope, and you've done amazing work. So welcome. Unit 3 is ready to go.